Back to the Apple event happening very shortly here. We have a little Ming Chi Kuo update.
Okay.
He has come out and said the vanilla iPhone 12 is going to be the best seller of the entire lineup. Vanilla iPhone 12. So not the mini model, not the entry level, not the cheapest model. Very interesting. He doesn't think that people are going to want to downgrade their screen size en masse. Of course, Apple's going to they're going to sell plenty of the mini model, but he thinks the number one model is going to be the vanilla iPhone 12. That's the $799 price point, presumably. That's the rumor. People are pretty convinced. It's the dual camera model, right? As you see in the images here. So it won't, obviously it's not a pro model. And it's $100 more than the rumored $699 starting price for the iPhone 12 mini. But it gives you a 6.1 inch screen, which seems to be the more typical choice at these type of price points. So he comes out here and says the iPhone 12 vanilla will have an expected share of 40% of the total shipments. That's pretty big because they're going to have 4 devices, right? You have the mini, you have the vanilla, then you have the 12 Pro, and then you have the 12 Pro Max. You got 4 models and 40% goes to one. In fact, he believes the remaining models, the mini, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will each get 20% on their own. Now, something that's worth taking into consideration here as well, Will, is availability. If he has any kind of knowledge around which models are going to be the most available, presumably if you see a sold out, but you know you want an iPhone 12, you'd be like, fine, I'll buy the 6.1 inch model. I'll spend $100 more.
Yeah, what did we hear? It was the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro was going to be sooner than the mini and the Pro Max. Right?
The 6.1 inch models, both of them are supposed to come first, and then we're going to wait about a month to get the mini model and the Pro Max model, the largest model. So yeah, maybe that played into this particular analysis or this particular expectation that, hey, we're already so delayed, right? This is later than Apple would like to have put these things on pre-order, had their event, and of course it's later than they would want to ship these things because the colder it gets outside, all the other things happening in the world, your lockdown, your economy, people just sitting at home, thinking, I don't know, do I need that thing? Whatever. Earlier in the year, September, it's, outside, at least around here, it's a little brighter. You get into those grim days. That's why you have the things like Black Friday. That's why you have the events like Christmas.
Yeah.
I mean, you have it for other reasons, but you see where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
What turns into a consumer thing. Because that time of year, the retailers and the sellers of goods, they need a little boost.
Yeah.
So, anyways, $799 iPhone 12 vanilla model. Ming Chi says it's going to sell 40% of total shipments. You guys let me know down in the comments of the 4 models that they're launching, which one are you most interested in?